In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Texas State. We'll move from finding the right website to pulling up your case to submitting payment and finally saving proof so you can check this off your list with confidence. Grab your ticket so you have the court name and your citation number handy. Start by going to the official website for the exact court listed on your ticket. Type that court's name into your search bar along with terms like pay ticket, pay citation online, or online payments. Make sure you land on the court's real site before moving forward. Official pages often end in .gov or are clearly part of a city or county domain. From there, look for the payment section. Some courts route you to an authorized payment portal, and that's okay, as long as you started from the court's own page. Next, find your ticket in the system. The fastest way is to enter your citation or ticket number exactly as it appears on your paperwork. If you don't have it, many courts let you search by your name and date of birth. Some may also ask for your driver's license number to narrow results. If your ticket doesn't appear, don't panic. It can take 1 to 5 days after the citation is issued for it to show up online, so give it a little time and check back. Once your case appears, review everything carefully. Confirm the violation type, the total fine plus any fees, and most importantly, the court date or due date. Make sure the details match what's on your paper ticket. Taking an extra minute here helps you avoid paying the wrong case or missing a deadline. If something looks off, it's best to pause and reach out to the court for clarification before you pay. When you're ready, proceed to payment. Select your case, then enter your debit or credit card information on the secure checkout page. Many courts charge a small convenience fee for online transactions, so expect your total to be slightly higher than the base fine. Double check the amount, your card details, and that you're on a secure page before you submit. After the payment processes, save your proof immediately. Download the confirmation receipt as a PDF or take a clear screenshot that includes the date, amount, and confirmation or receipt number. If the system emails a confirmation, keep that message as well. Store your receipt in a place you can easily find later. That's it. You've located the correct court site, found your ticket, verified your case, paid securely, and saved your receipt. Thanks for watching and take care.